In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate cost of goods sold and ending inventory. To make the calculations, I'm going to use the logic of the inventory T account. Remember that every T account is a formula. Most textbooks use elaborate worksheets to calculate Perpetual FIFO and Perpetual LIFO and Perpetual weighted average, cost of goods sold, and ending inventory balances. But I think that the worksheets are necessary if you're writing a textbook, but I think the logic is more concise and easier to see if we just do it right in the T account. Here's a problem. Remember that when using the FIFO method, we're going to start selling from the oldest layers and then the most recent layers. After we make a sale, we will rewrite the layers after every sale. Notice these red numbers. We sold inventory on June 10th, 250 units at $50. That $50 is a retail price. It's a marked up price. And if that price is anywhere in the problem, it's a distraction because we don't use marked up retail numbers in calculating the cost of goods sold in the inventory account. The inventory account only has our costs, our wholesale costs, not anything we've marked up to retail. So I'm just alerting you to a very common trick that you'll find in test questions. Just ignore the retail numbers. These are the relevant numbers. These are numbers that we paid for the merchandise. In the perpetual method, the first step is to write down all the layers that you have before the first sale. So there's our beginning balance. What happened next? We purchased 200 at 11. What happened next? We sold 250. Well, we have two layers. The question is, which 250 did we sell? We're using the FIFO method, so we have to sell from the oldest layer. So we'll sell 100 units out of the first layer, and the rest we'll sell out of the second layer. Every time we make a sale, we have to rewrite the layers. Now we have one layer of 50 units at a cost of 11. What happened next? We purchased another layer, meaning we purchased more inventory at a different price. This time we purchased it at 12. What happened next? We purchased again at a different price. This time we purchased 100 at 13. So we have three layers or inventory that we paid three different amounts for at different times. What happened next? We sold 200 units. We have three layers and we're using the FIFO method, so we have to start selling from the oldest layer. So we sold all of layer 1 and we sold 150 we sold all of layer 2. We sold a total of 200. We have to rewrite the layers after every sale. So we have now one layer of 100 with the cost of $13 each. What happened next? We purchased 100 units at a cost of 14. So now we have two layers again. What happened next? We sold 60. We have two layers and we sold 60 units. We have to start selling from the oldest layer, so that's layer 1. We rewrite the layers after every sale. So now we have two layers. The ending inventory is the sum of those two purple numbers, 520 and 1,400. The cost of goods sold is the sum of all of those yellow numbers.